Interested in starting a credit repair consulting business? A credit repair business is an attractive, low-overhead business opportunity with plenty of income potential. Each year, the demand for credit repair services increases exponentially. Over 79% of U.S. consumers 18 years older have inaccuracies on their credit reports. This means about 8 out of every 10 people have inaccurate information on their credit reports. That's just simply crazy. Over 54% of senior citizens have never seen their credit reports. Credit identity theft is the fastest growing crime in America. Our consultants can work part-time from home as a full-time business or combine credit consulting services with their current mortgage, real estate, or tax businesses. Please click the link in the description to speak to your personal credit repair business trainer today.